Hello, my name is Qingtian Yao. I hold a Bachelor of Arts in Human Arts from Keele College of Capital Normal University. During my university studies, my main focus was always game production. I have complete full independent game projects, where I handle everything by myself, from planning and 3D modeling to animation and the final coding. Through this experience, I realized something important. Technology is not the final goal. It is a tool to serve creativity and user experience. I remember during my graduation viva, a professor asked me a question. In games, which is more important, the creativity or the technology? At that time, I didn't have a clear answer, but now I do. I believe the most important thing is whether the technology can actually support the idea, and if it makes people want to use it. This is exactly why I'm applying for the MSc in Creative Computing. I want to move beyond just making things look good visually. I want to understand the logic behind the systems. I want to systematically learn about computation thinking, human-computer interaction, and how AI and machine intelligence can be combined with creative art. I also want to develop a critical perspective on how technology affects our culture and society. I have been teaching myself new technologies outside of my classes to keep up with the industry, but now I am eager for a more challenging and open-minded environment to help me grow. I chose the UAL Creative Computing Institute for a specific reason. A friend of mine is currently studying at UAL and he highly recommended it. He told me about how resources are shared across colleges and how the courses connect to the real industry. I love that UAL balances experimental art with real-world application. This is exactly the kind of environment I'm looking for. Finally, regarding my career ambitions as a long-term user of digital products, I have noticed that many apps in China are very commercialized. The user experience is often interrupted by ads or profit-driven features. This made me reflect technology shouldn't just be about making money. After I graduate, I plan to return to China. My goal is to develop digital products or tools that focus on user experience and public value, rather than just commercial success. For me, this MSc is not just about upgrading my skills. It is a deep exploration of how technology is used and why it is used. That is why I want to join this program. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.